Prepare the necessary parts and tools for the process. If DS on, DS off is not recognized in the control room, first, check if the motor continues to run in the C-GIS panel. Then use an endoscopic camera to check if the limit switch is damaged. Using the manual T-handle, rotate it until the indicator returns to the neutral position. After checking that the plate and the 3 gear holes are aligned, secure it by penetrating the 6.2 mm diameter fixing pin through them to prevent the gear from slipping. After removing 4 bolts, detach the mechanism and place it on the workbench. For accuracy during reassembly, after removing the mechanism, immediately mark the engagement positions of the gear section and the chain, and secure the chain with a cable tie. Identify the damage limit among LS1, LS2, and LS3. First, use a screwdriver to detach the line. Then remove the damaged limit and reassemble it. Once the mechanism installation is complete, be sure to remove the fixing pin. After installation, perform DS on, DS off operation using the manual handle for a final check.